3, 2, 1, go.
And we're into autonomous here once again. We're seeing the Bears and Code Gold go bumper to bumper in the center of the field. The Red Alliance partners, we are seeing Infinity and Wixom. They've unloaded their hoppers, but it's now all up to their alliance partner, Code Gold, to see is the Red Alliance going to take Auton? And it's looking good for Red with a score of 32. They're up by 11 points thus far. We'll see what can the Blue Alliance do to try to change the wheel. All right, the Bears contesting with Wixom right there in the center of the field, trying to get all of those balls out of the center. We're seeing the Pink Panthers join them in the action here. Code Gold's found some balls. They're trying to pass them into their alliance zone, a popular strategy here at the higher level. Will it work? We're seeing the Robo Blazers. They're trying to get over that bump, and it's a success for them. But now they're 3 wheels in the air. Make that 4. Can they get onto the ground? They're going for a spin move. They might have it. We'll see if they have what it takes. Back over the bump, but it's to the Red Alliance here by 1 point. But now they've made it into the double digits. They're trying to extend that lead through their shift. Does the Red Alliance have what they need in order to try to get all of these balls into this hub? Infinity trying to get those balls out of the depot. They got that human player coordination, getting angles that those drivers just cannot see otherwise. Code Gold chiming in at the last second, but we're all over to Blue now here as we're seeing those human players feeding that hub from the Robo Blazers robot. We're seeing the Bears working in the center of the field. They're trying to get an angle, trying to get all of those balls from the center into their robot. They're having a little bit of difficulties with the terrain here. They might high center. We'll see if they can navigate the field as required to stay in the game. But the Blue Alliance's ship is expiring, and they have not managed to find a lead. Will the Red Alliance run away with it here as they have the last dedicated shift of the match? Red Alliance playing solo. Their hub's the only one lit up right now. We're seeing those Blue Alliance robots. They're competing in the center of the field while the Red Alliance robots are in their alliance zones. Look at Code Gold lined up against that alliance wall, trying to score those balls from a more protected position where it's harder to challenge and the shot is more consistent. Code Gold getting those balls against the alliance wall in front of their alliance partners, Infinity, while Infinity is going to the center of the field. The Blue Alliance hub, it's active now. We're in the end game, and they're trying to close the gap here, but we've got 15 seconds left. Can they do it? Will the Red Alliance let up? Will the Blue Alliance find all the balls they need? The gap's over 15 points right now. We'll see, can they do it? And it's looking like the Red Alliance, they found 1 ranking point. Will the Blue Alliance find 1, or is the red one only once eaten? Let's see our scores here. It's looking like this match is a victory for the Red Alliance. Taking it with 111 points to 94, the Red Alliance walks away with 4 ranking points. 3 for the win and 1 for 100 balls into the hub.